Ready, steady, go! Both teams are off to a strong start. Woo! Yeah! Oh no! How unlucky for the blue team. Try again, Danny. The red team has the lead and is starting the second challenge, the beanbag toss. There. Oh dear, the red team are having some problems. Here come Peppa and Daddy Pig. Wow!
Hooray!
That was a great shot by Peppa. Uh-oh. But Mummy Pig and George are back in the race. It's going to all come down to the last event, the Muddy Puddle Bucket Challenge. The first team to fill their bucket with mud wins. Oh, it looks like the blue team is off to a strong start. But don't count the red team out yet. Oh, now the red team is in the lead. No, it's the blue. No, red again. No, blue. Who is it going to be? That's it. It's a draw. Everyone wins. Today, Mummy and Daddy Pig are taking Peppa and George on an adventure in their brand new motorhome. Wow! This is the biggest, bestest car I have ever seen. Well, Peppa, it's not actually a car, it's a motorhome. I wonder where we should go first. I'm not sure. I suppose we could go anywhere we like. What do you think, George? Moon!
3, 2, 1.
George, the motorhome isn't a rocket ship. We have to pick somewhere we can drive to.
I know. How about we go on a mountain adventure? That's sort of close to the moon.
That sounds amazing. I'm going to climb all the way to the top.
That's a wonderful idea. Let's go!
Puddle!
George, no! Oh dear. Well, we can't go on a road trip with all this mud on the motorhome. We won't be able to see where we're going. Daddy and I will get this mess cleaned up and we'll be on our way in no time. Phew! This is a lot bigger than our regular car. I think we might need some extra help from Peppa and George. Good idea. Peppa! George! I wonder where they could be. I think they must be playing hide and seek. Let's try and find them. Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig are looking for Peppa and George. They must be around here somewhere. That sounded like Peppa. I think it came from over there by the swimming pool. That's strange. I was sure that I heard Peppa's oink over here. That was definitely George's oink. I think it came from the kitchen. They're not here either. They must be very good at hiding. That was definitely Peppa and George. They must be in the upstairs bedroom. Where could they be?
Boo!
No! Oh, there you are.